Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You already have Chrome installed. Now you start within VS Code. Open your workspace and press Ctrl plus Shift plus P to open Settings, JSON. Once the JSON is visible, add or edit the setting that controls the default browser for your extension. For live server use, live server. Settings. Custom browser. Chrome, or provide the full executable path. Make sure to save the file. This immediate change tells VS Code which browser to launch, instead of Edge and avoid system, default conflicts. Next, configure the debug and task tooling so Chrome launches every time. Open VSCode/launch. JSON and set runtime executable to the Chrome binary path. This instructs the debugger to spawn Chrome rather than Edge. Once done, check live server settings for the same override and use the exact path if the alias fails. Restart VS Code or run reload window to flush cached settings. These steps ensure both debug and simple serve actions consistently open Chrome. Finish by testing. Start live server or run the debugger and confirm Chrome opens. If Edge still appears, inspect VS Code settings for any remaining browser keys and remove or override them. Also check extension-specific settings. Make sure you use the full executable path because OS default handlers can intercept simple aliases. If problems persist, reload window and verify there are no workspace-level settings overriding user settings. This troubleshooting approach isolates configuration layers, so Chrome becomes the consistent choice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.